Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 8 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smartband from the Android phone. First, we need to open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. After the application opens, you should see the Health page. Now tap on the devices icon, select your Huawei Band 8 from the list of devices. Now find the More Options icon in the top right corner and tap on it. And here tap on the Unpair device option. Then tap on Unpair. The band will disappear from the list of devices on the devices page. You can close the app. And you can also, just in case, check the Bluetooth settings. So you can open the settings on your phone, tap on connected devices or Bluetooth settings. And here you have the list of previously connected devices. And if your Huawei Band 8 would be on this list, you need to tap on the settings icon next to it and tap on forget device and confirm it to remove it. But as you can see, on my phone it's not here, and probably on yours it won't be here either. But just to be sure, check this place and see if it's here, and if it is, remove it. And then you can close the settings. And that's how you unpair this smartband from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.